Welcome back to another Temu influencer tutorial. In today's video, I'll show us how to upload our campaign videos correctly on TikTok and YouTube, okay? Those two platforms are where I upload. So I'm going to take us through the process on how you can do it correctly so that you can get your post approved. Now, before you even get to this stage, that means you've already done your video, you've edited it, and you've done the right things or added the right things you're supposed to add in the video. I'm on the influencer dashboard right now. So click on post. So once you click on post, in this section, manage my submission, you can click on to be submitted. Here you will see all post directly, delivered, in transit, pending. You will see all the videos or the videos you need to actually post a video for. For me at this moment, the post I have to submit is still in transit, so I can't, submit it. If I click on submit, of course they are going to show me where I can add my links, but I've not received the item yet, so that will not work. For my delivered, nothing is showing. Post directly, nothing is showing. When I click on all, it still shows me that my items are still on transit, okay? Pending shipment, nothing. So for now, I cannot put in any link on the Temu influencer dashboard. If you're someone that you've already received your item and you're asked to make a video, this is where you find where to upload the link of that video. In this section, manage my submission, just come to delivered. Once it's delivered to you, Temu, the influencer dashboard, will tell you to upload the video, okay? Once they get the notification that the item has been delivered, you'll be asked to upload a video. Now, the next thing you should look at is how to post and get approval to earn. If you get a free sample and you're doing the unboxing video, you're definitely looking at gifts at €0, or depending on where you are, if you're in Nigeria, gifts at €0. If you're in the US, gifts at $0, okay? That's the video you're going to do. Click on this. Take a bit of time to read through because they've already shown what you're to add in your video, what you're to use to title the video when you upload it to your authorized platform. On-screen text. So in the video should be able to show your code, for the gift at €0, because that's the video you're doing, an unboxing video of the free sample you got. Okay, now the disclaimer should also show on your video. Just take your time. And then the caption text, this is the video title. When you upload it on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, this is the title the video will carry. For YouTube, there is also something else you need to do. I'm going to get to that, okay? Now, you can click on see how to show it. Just take your time. It doesn't even take a lot of time. Just 10 minutes is okay. They show you what to do, how to show it, the seconds, how many seconds those text should show on the screen. Just take your time to read it, okay? Now, for me, to be on the safe side, I like to make my code show throughout the video. All right, that's the search code in in the Temu app. I use it to show throughout the video. And then my disclaimer, you can show it at the last 3 seconds, and just read through. You can show it throughout the video also, depending on your region, what is asked of you to do. Okay, I'm following my own region rules and regulation, so it's different for different areas. All right, so now I'm going to copy this caption text because my video title on YouTube and TikTok is going to carry this caption text. Now let's go to TikTok to upload the video. So now I'm on TikTok and I want to upload my video. I click on the plus sign, okay? My video is more than 60 seconds. I click on 10 minutes. I click here. Of course, you know how to upload a video on TikTok. I click on the video I want to upload. This is the video I want to upload. Now, please pay attention to the things I will do. I click on next. All right. I click on next. Now, my description, I'll paste that video caption. The next thing I do is the edit cover. Make sure that your cover shows clearly. the search code so for gifts at €0 in Temu app. Some of you, this is where you get it wrong and your videos get disapproved, because this is the first picture anyone sees before they click on the video. So it has to show your code very well, okay? If you do not set this part and you upload the video link like that, Temu will reject that video because it's not showing your video code on the thumbnail picture. All right, so I make sure everything is visible. Just click the frame you like best. I'll just go ahead and do that. So I've chosen what I want, and then you save it. You make sure your code is visible, okay? Now the next thing you do is you click on content disclosure and ads. All right, you click on disclose commercial content. Of course, you're promoting another brand, so click on branded content, and they are going to recommend Temu to you. But if they don't, I guess you can search Temu, but they'll definitely recommend Temu to you because you mentioned Temu in that video. So I check that, and then once I do that, you can see that my ad authorization has also been checked on its own automatically. Video code is available, everything is okay. Do not click on any other thing, just save. They tell you your post will be labeled as paid partnership, continue, yes, that is what you want. So I go over it once more to make sure that my caption is okay, my cover of the video is right, and then I go on to click on post. So now my video is done posting, and you can see it.
Let's start with this one.
If you click
This is a
on
perfume,
this,
men
you
perfume
see
that
that
I
the
got on the Temu
caption
app.
or the video
And it came with this
title is
little one that you
here.
can,
The
add to your
paid
post.
partnership is also
This
visible
smells
here.
heavenly.
And then
and
if
look
you
at
want to
that
copy
bit
the
now.
link
Let's
of the
spray
video,
this.
click on these dots right here and click on
This
copy
smells
link.
really nice.
This is the link you post. I'll do a different
Now
video
let's
to show
open
how
up
to
this
put link
one.
and
It's something you can
authorization
use to
code,
store your,
okay? If you want to also
tissue
copy the
paper in
authorization
the
code, click
toilet.
these three dots here
So this is it right
and then
here. This can
search for
contain up to
add
4.
settings. All right, then you scroll down, you click on manage for video code, and then you click on copy code, and then you paste it on your Temu influencer dashboard. That's how you add your add code, authorization code. The video is already too long. I'll have to do a different video on how to upload on YouTube. You can watch the next video of this, okay? I hope you've gotten value from this video. If you have, please like, follow this page, and of course you can leave your comments in the comment section. Bye.